Uh, Hope you got a clarity regarding network marketing. Now you'll be getting into topic how can you make money through rental properties. I need not to say regarding that. You are also familiar with how you can get money. Only thing is here, very huge investment is required and returns also will be in high. I will be talking regarding the myths regarding rental properties at the end of our slide. Uh, so you thing is yeah, what happens is you need to consider buying a house or something a vehicle, and you need to donate, you need to give to some X person. What happens is he'll be paying rent to you. In this way you'll be making huge amounts. Okay, regarding stock markets, uh, okay, Vivikta, can you say regarding stock markets, can you express something regarding stock markets? After that I will be giving clarity.
Yeah, sure, Anna. So
How can
stock
you make money?
market, yeah.
Yes, yes.
So in stock markets, there are two types of investments. One is long term and one is short term. Usually, short term is very risky because we don't really know how the market works in the beginning. As a beginner, if we don't really know how market works, so first, I mean, it takes time for to you to learn how the market works. When are the times that you should invest, and when are the times that you should take out the money so that you don't face losses. Short term marketing is a bit difficult, but long term marketing is really good because the you almost all start with very small amounts of money, and as the company grows, as the company in which you have invested grows, your share price grows, and as the share price grows, your money grows. That's how long term investments work. But while investing in long term stocks, also you need to first check how the company is, how it works, how it has been in the past few years. And yeah, that's how it works. Okay, here a small tip: when a company is really new to the market, you need to first analyze how it's really reporting its earnings. That's really important. uh, and how it's making developments, uh, in their field, how frequently it's making developments in their field. That is also really important. That is one of the major catalysts for a share price to go down or go up. In some countries we do have biased markets where government is responsible for it, but then yeah, it's really it's okay to invest in it, but then you should invest in it thinking about all the things in such a way that you have a lot of profits, but then if it goes into loss, it's really less to you. And your portfolio should always be diverse. You should not concentrate on one particular field or one particular industry. You should always concentrate on all of them. uh, uh, Screen out good companies and then invest on them when it comes to long term. Yeah.
Thank you,
So,
Victor. You have okay, okay,
uh, can I say a few words, Chandan?
sure, sir.
First of all, Vivekta, being a first year student, well done. Explaining the concepts, very well done.
Thank
Uh,
you.
so, so, like Vivekta said, you have to spend a lot of time reading and learning. Uh, Asian Paints is a, everyone knows about Asian Paints. And I knew when we were growing up, you know, one of my closest friends got a job at Asian Paints. This was in 1990, right? And we I started investing in the stock market at around 1996 or 7. If I had invested in Asian Paints at that time, I would have made lots of money. But you know, I never understood the market. I never understood what the company was doing. Someone will say, one of my friends will say, "Oh, okay, go ahead, invest in this," and that's a really bad way to invest. So keep learning about the company. I just learned about Asian Paints, where the owner of the company in 1980s bought two supercomputers and did data analytics, which is what Amazon is doing it now. But Asian Paints, our own Indian company, did data mining in 1980s, and they bought supercomputers at that time. Think about how advanced thinking was Asian Paints at that time. So if you knew that this is what people are doing, and the other thing is, if you know of a visionary who is like really committed, like Elon Musk or Bill Gates, for them, company is not about making money. Company is about putting their creating some value in the society. Elon Musk basically sleeps in the office on the sofa most of the days. He says he sleeps somewhere between 2 to 3 hours. That's it. When you have that kind of a person, it's probably a good idea to invest in his company. So think like that. Don't go into the stock market thinking about what your friend told you. A friend will give you a hot tip saying, "Arey, this will go." That's waste. That is going to cause problems to you. So I think that's it. Go ahead, Chandan. Go to the next slide. Oh,
Thank you, sir.
looks like someone raised their hand. Was it
Yes,
you?
sir. I just wanted to add here something. Just believe in yourself, believe in your instance, and that's it. You should not believe in some other stock, what others say. Beat any expert, according to him, beat any expert or anything. You just believe in your instance. Sometimes you might go wrong, sometimes you might go correct, but then yeah, it's life and you need to accept it. And always you should not take that loss
Yes.
to your mind. You should just move on, or else you'll just miss many opportunities when it comes to stock markets. Thank
Yes.
you, Chandana.
Thank you, Vikta. Thank you, sir. You really added a lot of stuff here. I really don't know regarding everything. I only know that regarding stock markets, you need to buy some shares in a company. Then, as the share value grows, that is what your profit, and you can buy to the same company. This is the whatever the uh, amount that has grown. That is what your profit. If it may take sometimes your loss, it might happen. And regarding next thing is, you better to invest in long term investments. What happens is, uh, long term investment, there is very less probability that you won't be get lost into stock markets. And another thing is, you will be getting more percentage of interest when it compares to if you invested the same money in a bank account, or else if you else in a stock market. Same money in bank account or else in stock market for a long term investment, you'll be a higher percentage of probability that you will be getting more profit in stock markets only. And next thing regarding dividend fund, many stock market companies will provide dividend funds to their stakeholders, shareholders. This is just because of their encouragement. Everyone can use this. Those are the companies which provide dividend stock. Nothing but uh, they provide sorry. Let me say regarding okay, how you will be getting more money means, you will be getting money by selling your stocks, shares, and also you'll be getting money. The company which is providing you dividend funds, it only provide dividend funds when it is in a huge profits, or else you can search in a you need to search in a Google that which companies will be providing dividend funds and extra. They will be many companies, and you need to really check that and which date they will be going to provide uh, dividend funds, etc. This is a kind of encouragement to the shareholders. Everyone is most aware of that. It is very familiar too, and you will be really watching in villages. Those who want money, they will be going to a lender. What the lender does, he will be giving money, and he ends taking an interest from the who was the seeker, right? In this way, you will be making money. See, you will be making money in two ways. For example, you can make small amounts or you can make also big amounts. The difference is uh, when you really, for example, when you make bigger amounts in peer-to-peer lending means only if you have a power, or for example, you have any political support. For example, if you want to give your money only to the person who is very honest, then there are very less people to lend your money. If you have really political support, you have any power in which you can take money, you have really that skill, you can give to many number of people and you can earn a lot number of uh, profits. And if you don't believe in people, there are many brokerages companies in nowadays. You can just give your money to them. They will be looking after who want the money. These companies will be looking after to provide money, and the percentage and the interest that gained by the company will be sharing by the lender and also by the company. So you are earning something, some extra amount. If you invested in real estate, you will be getting really good high returns. And the thing is, here you'll be getting money. What happens is, okay, here what happens is only 2% will be benefited. For example, if an X person is earning some X amount of rupees and he will be directly investing all that money in taking a land, what happens is he is investing a huge amounts here. Uh, Huge amounts. So only the buyer and the seller are getting profited, and only people, these two guys are uh, earning income, and the lot more large number of amounts are exchanging between two only. But what happens is here money is not circulating, means it ultimately what happens is people are not getting money. The common people who are there, what happens is only these two people earn money, and these two people only pay taxes to the government, and the common people and the people who earn very less, they don't pay taxes to government. So in this way the richer becomes more richer and the poor becomes more poorer. uh, and and also because these people are not people who are not earning will not pay to government tax, right? What happens ultimately, it affects the country's GDP. So it's better to not to invest in real estate. From our side, from Money Club team, you're saying you can invest in another things where you can get more money too. Okay, I think I don't consider to say regarding gold. You definitely having a picture. How can you earn passively in your mind? How can you earn money through passively? So, but I can't stop. Let me say a small story regarding that. Regarding how beneficial if you invested in a gold. Uh, First of all, consider a point that in 2010, the gold rate is per 10 grams 10,000 rupees. In 2020, per 10 grams 50,000 rupees. Now the story begins. An young couple who had their children, suddenly they comes to uh, a city and they start doing a business, and they collectively earn 10 lakhs rupees at the point 2010. Then 10 lakhs rupees. Now what happens is, one day husband says to his wife, hey, let us invest this amount in something so that we'll be getting more money. So okay. Then wife says, okay. So what husband says, for his comfortness, I want to buy a car. Then wife says, no, no, for my comfortness, I want to buy a jewelry. Then uh, both of them don't agree, and they come to a final agreement that you uh, final agreement. What is it? Everyone will be dividing. Both of them will be doing 5 lakhs, 5 lakhs. So in 2010, what happens is wife buys 250 grams of gold using that 5 lakhs, and husband also buys 250 a car, a small car. You can think a Swift car or else a Swift VDI. At 2010 it will be, at that time is very cheap, right? So after 10 years what happens is the one the same gold rate, the same value of gold, 250 grams is now 12 lakhs 50,000 rupees. And the value of car which is owned by a husband is just less than 50,000 rupees. So now the conversation, what happens is, you didn't listen to my words on that day. If you have listened on that day, if you have invested entire 10 lakhs on my gold, on my comfortness, then you will be getting now 25 lakhs, which is 15 lakhs more than now, just by sitting in front of TV and watching and eating something. And husband says, yes, you said right. The moral of the story is, you better to invest in gold uh, than than buying a car, because, and you will be also uh, part of pollution control. You can use your public transport instead of that. Okay, this is the moral of story. Okay, now let me say some myths regarding passive income. uh, these are very important. People generally, what they think is, uh, passive income is the thing where we can earn large number of amounts, very you can earn, but what the reality doesn't look the same what he think. So here, for example, if consider YouTube, what happens regarding YouTube? You think that that uh, what is that, tech Guruji is earning crores of rupees in YouTube. Why can't also earn some part of it? And you start buying some cameras or some equipment which are required to start a YouTube business. So what you do is, without any passion, without any interest, you just buy to make money. Then what happens really? After some point of time, you really don't make any money, because no one likes no one likes the way you do, because you are not interested regarding that. You were just making YouTube videos without any passion, maybe. So what happens is, whatever the investment that he invested to set for his setup, cameras or for any microphones or anything, that all will comes under loss. In this way, he stuck into a greedy system. And regarding network marketing, our sir has explained more or less very good stuff. And I to say the same thing. And this thing is, you should be very aware of, in investing, many frauds will be going on, and people always tries to uh, make get trapped to you, and trap and you will be unknowingly getting involved in making other things. So it is really very, actually people says network marketing is a passive source of income, but it really doesn't is a passive income. You need to really have to work a lot to make whatever the amounts you need to make. And regarding rentals, uh, most of them think that just buying a house and giving to him and take money. But what happens actually really, is that happens in the same way? No. What happens is, for example, if there is any repair, any if there is any pipe leakage in a home, what happens? The one who lives in the home come to us, who given come to ours only and says, hey, there is a leakage, please repair that. Then what we need to do is, we need to go and repair. Sometimes it might not uh, have your time to repair that. You need to send a plumber or something what happens is, you are not doing, actually it is not a passive income. You are there are a lot of there are, you need to work kada. You need to uh, take a plumber, and you need to go to the house, you need to repair that, everything happens. By the way, the one who uh, living in the house directly says to you, you will be repairing or else I need to leave the house. Then what happens to the person who is given house? Yeah, he'll be definitely going to leave. I need to make sure all the works that I have, you need to keep aside and go to the work. Need to make that happen. Okay, there are not only regarding YouTube, network marketing, and renters, everything that have many disadvantages. Uh, yes, there are many myths regarding passive income. Uh, the way you think, the way you think regarding that, uh, if you are if you want to make money, there is a chance to make money. And also you should not consider making passive income just by following some other is making money, I can also make money. It's definitely a wrong process. You will be getting fraud into the system. and you will be losing all the money. Uh, Thank you everyone for patiently listening for this time. Really happy to share all the things with you. Thank you.
You did a fantastic job in researching about all those things as well as presenting it to all of us. Does any of you have questions?
Hi, hello. So just not a question, comment.
Yeah. Any comments, questions, whatever.
Yes. So of course it's included one question also. So first of all, Chandan, thank you for the presentation because it is very important. Whatever the topic you have chosen today, money, passive income is very important nowadays. So it's not only important to read production of power from steam plant, turbines, expanders, but also it is important to think about money at this point of time or at this age. So because world is moving faster, so we also move according to it. So it is so thank you for letting us know about ways of making money, and that to passive in a passive form. So you explained short films, planting trees, stock markets, gold and rentals, and so thank you. So in that stock markets, I have a question. I think it can be to you or Victa. So just to I just now learned from my brother who is trading every day. So like he's studying 10th class now. So he's in a way to trade market. So you spoke about investing in stock markets, right? So I just had a doubt, like just now I got into that stock markets field. So is it possible to earn only in investing money, or it is possible while trading money also, like how DMart owner Radha Kishan something. So he started in a trading account, like a trading market, and then move to investing, it seems. So how what are the comments on that trading in the stock markets at the same time like investing? I just want to know the comment from you. And apart from that, I really liked it because money. So, however, like millionaires or billionaires are born from the ideas they were thinking at this point of time, right? So Kunal Shah. So we have seen many people who have become billionaires in the near, like at very young age. So they started thinking about money at earlier ages. So it is very important to think about money. Thank you, Chandan, for presentation. Thank you for explaining passive ways of making money. Thank you.
Thank you, Rohit. I really don't have any solution for your the question. I hope Vivik's answer will be definitely answering for that.
Yeah, Anna. So, according to me, you should have at least two accounts. One is for trading and one is for investment, so that the long term investment account does not get really affected. When it comes to short terms, yes, trading you can earn, but then for that you need to have a lot of knowledge about trading. You should invest a lot of time for that. uh, you need to have every small information about every not every stock, but at least those stocks on which you are concentrating. You need to know the right timings, when to add shares, when to just sell them off. Yeah. I mean, you need to know more. You need to understand how the dynamics work in a stock market. Shawan sir, I think you can add more.
Okay. First of all, well done, Vivikta. Uh, I think, I don't know. I want to be sure, Rohit. Are you saying can you make money, being the facilitator
Trader.
for transactions? Is that what you're saying?
Trading, so like investing, as far as I know, like investing means, so we should invest the thing more than a trader does, right? So trading is just transporting the money from one to one, like. So is there
So
any different like
the whole, suppose say this is a place where you can make a lot of money in the stock market, where you open your own stock market company, where you open your financial planning company, and then people will come and invest money in you. you go and invest their money everywhere. You do the transactions, you do everything. Okay. And then, that you can make money there because you have no money going out of your pocket, right? You're investing someone else's money. So whether their portfolio goes down or goes up, you still make money. So that is a area where you can make money. Only thing is, I am not too happy with many of them because they seem to lose my money than make money for me. And then they still take transaction fees, and they'll say, oh, we are managing your money. So actually I was talking to Sidhu, Vivekta, we will do one of these days actually, is we should create a new method of money management. What we do is we don't take any money. If we lose money, we only take a percentage of their money. If we make money, if we made 10% profit, then we'll say, give us 2%. This way, we are like now, saying, yes, we care about your money. Right now, the thing is, if you lose 10% also, they have to give you 2%.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes,
So,
sir. That's a really good idea, actually.
yeah. So, Rohit, I don't know whether I answered your question or not. If not, we'll talk again later.
Yes, like more than answering a question, it's interesting that we are discussing about money this time. So, yeah.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, this whole presentation by Chandan is absolutely fantastic. And the way all of you are, giving your thoughts, this is really, really good. Go ahead, Triveni. You raised your hand.
Thank you.
Yes, Chandan. Thank you, Chandan, for such a wonderful presentation. It is very informative, actually. Yeah, I had doubt, I was in a thought that FD, like fixed deposit, always gives more returns than RD. But you cleared my doubt
Yes,
that they could give almost equal amount of returns, right?
more or less. But
Yeah.
definitely FD is good.
Yeah. Thank you for clearing my doubts, Chandan. Thank you.
Hey, Deepthi, I thought you raised your hand once.
Yeah, I want to put.
No, sir.
No,
Yes,
MD.
sir, I did.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I actually thought of asking about what is cryptocurrency, and then Anna was like, he doesn't know much about stock market, so I didn't. I mean, I undo.
Okay, nice.
I think we'll be having another talk regarding that talk.
Vinay will
Yes.
You
answer
have
this
to
now.
wait a little more.
Yeah, you have to wait a little. But yes, we will definitely get into cryptocurrency. We will create our own cryptocurrency. That we will do that. Oh, by the way, the best way to make money is when you sell your own products. You create your own cryptocurrency. You create your own company. Everything goes through you. My son was investing in the stock market when he was 14. And he made money on the first stock. We did a lot of research. We put together this mind mapping thing and did all of that. He made money. And then he was like super excited. Then he went and invested in a stock because he just felt like it because it was going up so fast on that day. He invested in it. As soon as he invested, it dropped about 20%. And he was so mad at himself. He's like, Daddy, what do I do? What do I do? I said, no, you tell me. So he said, I'll take the loss. Sell it. So we sold it. And after that, he said, I'm not going to do anything with stock market. And he waited. He spent like 2 months or something. And then he said, you know what? I'm just going to buy everything in Amazon. So he had very little money. He put all that little money into Amazon. That was 6 years ago. And Amazon went up like anything. So now he made, I don't know, 30 lakhs or something profit on that. so I said, okay, now you made all this profit, right? So do you want to invest in the stock market? He said, Daddy, I'll never invest in the stock market. I don't understand it. So I will build my own company. I will take it public and let other people invest in my company, but I am not investing in the stock market. So the best way to really make money is create your own company and then put it in public. And this way you have control over the company. You know what you're doing. Whereas when you invest in the stock market, you don't know what these people are doing. You have no idea whether they are running the company properly or not running it properly. When it's your own company, then you know you are running it properly. So definitely we should definitely try to create our own Bitcoin. This is the time when you don't say, let us wait for someone else. No, you're all smart, people. So just let us say and figure it out and create our own Bitcoin. I think at some point, all of the Bitcoin is going to get, put into certain blocks. And who knows, if we create our own, our currency will be considered. If not, also, we can still use our currency for ourselves. First of all, we don't need other people. We can just create our own community. And within our community, we can use our Bitcoin. And we can call it our top currency, right? Top Bitcoin.
So, what is cryptocurrency and Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is just one currency is, currency, right? So rupees is a part of currency. Paisa is also part of currency, right? So
Yes,
same thing. Bitcoin is one way of one currency. Bitcoin. That's
One
it.
form of
That's
currency.
what I think. Yeah, one form of currency. Exactly. That's what I think. I'm not really, very. I don't understand Bitcoin. I don't understand cryptocurrency, but we will get there. That is one of our ESL objectives. We will definitely have our own cryptocurrency. We will learn a lot about cryptocurrency, but we are not going to be buying someone else's cryptocurrency. We will create our own cryptocurrency, because if we, so I think that is better for us at this time. And we learn a lot about the cryptocurrency and everything if we create our own.
Thank you, Dipti. Chandan, I have a question for you. What's the interesting way of earning money through passive income that you found or you felt?
Okay.
What's the interesting thing that you found basically in this whole research or in the journey of your money club? Interesting, crazy, the point which can drag everyone here.
Uh, Basically, I said regarding a limited partnership in business, that what I attracted more, and we can somewhat support people. And the only thing is regarding that is we need to find the good people who really be honest what in our journey.
Actually, Chandan, first of all, that's perfect. You said it very well. Because I have because we are at a different age, right? And at my age, my friends, all of us, there is actually more money. Okay, many of my friends are very independently wealthy. Okay, so they keep investing in the stock market, and I keep telling them to invest in people. But the problem that they find is, like you said, how do I find good people? And so, yes, you have to spend time to find the good people. And we don't want to, because we'll say, I already worked my whole job. I went to morning at 8 o'clock. I came back home at 6 o'clock and, I need to rest. I don't want to do this. One second.
Finding people.
Yeah, I don't want to go and think about people, because When you go and try to talk to people, you have to be patient, you have to listen, you have to understand, you should not be judgmental. So it's very hard. So what you'll do is you'll think like, oh, let me just invest in stock market. It's easy. I don't have to think. I just go and click on certain things. I look at certain screens and pay and, invest. Because it is so, that's why you actually lose money, because you are not really understanding what these companies are doing. But if you can spend time, the way I have spent time in India for the last 5 years, and I have met so many people from so many different walks of life, I realized one of the ways I could do is just invest small amounts, like maybe 1 lakh rupees, and put it in 50 different people, 50 different businesses. So now you invested 50 lakhs. So now you can see 10 people don't do well, you still have 40 people doing well, and you'll make a lot of money. Suppose say 30 people don't do well. With the 20 people, you would make more than all your 50 lakhs. You'll get all your 50 lakhs back. Usually, one person makes good money, makes profit for you, is equal to 3 people losing or something like that. So if you can divide your money like the way you divide it into various stocks, you invest money on many people at the same time, or not at the same time, you can invest it over time. Then the chances of making money is very high. So again, you have to have the patience. You have to go and listen to people, talk to people, listen to their business idea, put their business idea proposals properly, and then when you give them partnership in the when they give partnership in the company, or basically if they have 100 shares, you give them certain money and you buy 50% of the shares. So then you are you're now 50% partner in there. So you have to make sure you're listening. Any problem that happens in the business, you are indirectly responsible for it. So again, you have to be patient about it. Things will go wrong. That person will get mad at you. So again, you should not be like thinking, oh my God, how could he get mad at me? Life is that way. It will happen. So definitely, I think Chandan's method of investing that way, what he said, is the best way to regenerate the Indian economy. If you try to do it through stock market, not a good idea. In this way, you can reach out to the local people, to people all around you, and invest. Does it make sense? Does it have, what I'm saying, does it answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Definitely, sir. Only the thing is, we need to really support him. We need to encourage him. He'll be learning.
Yeah.
He'll be
Yes.
providing value definitely. If we support,
I keep telling several of my relatives who are, because of this land value went up, right? They became immensely wealthy. So I keep telling them, they'll say, just get the people around you and, start your own group saying, okay, tell me your business idea. Tell me this. And then listen to the business idea. Listen to the requirements of your community. And then slowly start investing. Okay, I'll give 1 lakh here. I'll give 50,000 here. And give and see. Even if you lose, so what? You made so many crores in this real estate boom. So you lose 50,000, no big deal. But I really think that is a great area for people to invest in, because you are now really talking to people rather than in the stock market. Here you're talking to people and you'll get to know them. That's what we live for, is communicate with a person, so that way we can connect with the soul of that person, right? Or connect with the soul of the universe. And so this is I hope all of you, when you start making money, I think you should consider that idea of what Chandan said. And, don't become greedy. Always, like, maybe you want to take 10% share in the company and let that guy do whatever he's doing or she's doing. But I think that is the best way to, that is, in my view, one of the best ways to make money. No, not many people think that way, by the way. I don't even know how you came up with that idea, Chandan. No one will even
Yes,
talk
sir.
about that. How did you even come up with that method? Where did you find it?
Browsing internet. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Very nice, very nice. Very. I have not seen anyone talk really about it.
Internet.
Actually, that's what you are doing with all of us.
Yes, in some way, yes, I'm doing with time. But
Yes.
yeah, but you're right. Yeah. And, yes, that is something I think you will realize very soon because of who you are. Many people want to invest in your dreams now. There are many people, my friends I know, if they say, oh, Lidvija has a company idea, they will absolutely listen to your idea. And they'll say, wow, she belongs to Topicel. We want to listen to her idea. We want to hear her idea. And so that is the kind of value we have.
Thank you for creating it all the way. Actually, I should say this, Chandan. Day by day, by seeing your growth, I think I'm the happiest person in this world. Just by seeing you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And the way you are coming up with every initiation, every time we ask you to give a talk, and you'll be like, oh yeah, I'm ready. And just before the call, so Chandan is ready to take up the whole thing. Like he can do hosting by himself. He can do poster by himself. Akka meeku emana problem ante cheppandi, నేను చేసిస్తా. I'll take care of it. Don't worry about it. And that's so nice of you, Chandan. And it is really good to think about money the way you are thinking. And you know what, you were talking about every positive and negative thing behind, like every way of income you were talking about, right? So that's the way of it's a growing skill, I can say. It's a learning skill to see the both sides of the coin. And yeah, thank you, Chandan, for that. Absolutely, Money Club is a very good platform where to learn things, to learn money, to understand money. This is for you, Chandan. Thank you, Chandan Anna. We truly express our gratitude for always being so supportive and bringing a new stuff every time. Thank you for taking out your valuable time for us. So gratitude.
Thank you so much for the top gratitude, and also Lidvija Akka for your valuable comments. Thank you so much. Sorry, compliments.
Thank you everyone for attending and making this a fruitful session as always.